I'll give you 5 ab exercises that actually work. But first, you need to hear this. Because if your abs aren't visible right now, it's not because you haven't trained hard enough. It's because your strength is buried. And most people never realize this. If you're sitting above 25% body fat, your abs are already there, but they're hidden under a layer that's actively working against you. Every rep feels heavier. Every movement feels harder. Your own body becomes resistance, in the worst way possible. And here's the part nobody tells you. You can train abs every single day and still look like you don't train at all. Let that sink in. Now ask yourself this: are you actually not building abs? Or are you just not seeing them? Because those are two completely different problems. At around 30% body fat, but your physique hides almost everything. Strength feels slow. Movements feel forced. Even basic calisthenics becomes exhausting. But something interesting starts to happen when you drop closer to 20%. You feel a shift. Your body moves a little easier. You start noticing small lines forming. You feel like your effort is finally showing up. But the real transformation? That happens between 10 to 15%. That's when everything changes. Your body feels lighter, more responsive, more controlled. Movements that once felt impossible suddenly feel within reach. And your abs? They don't just appear, they pop. Now here's the problem. Most people try to fix this with random AB workouts, high reps, endless crunches, burnouts, and they stay stuck for years. So before I give you the 5 exercises, you need to understand the system that actually reveals them. Because this is where most people fail. They treat their workouts like cardio. They chase fatigue instead of adaptation. And fatigue feels productive. It feels like you're doing something. But it doesn't build real strength. And without real strength, your abs will never fully develop. This is something most fitness channels never explain. Abs are not built from exhaustion. They're built from tension, from control, from progression. So here's the shift. Instead of doing everything, you focus on movements that force your core to stabilize under real load. Because your abs are not just for flexing, they're for resisting. Resisting movement, resisting collapse, resisting weakness. And that brings us to the first exercise, hanging leg raises. But not the way you've been doing them. Most people swing, they rush, they turn it into momentum. But the real power comes when you slow it down. Dead hang, no swinging. Raise your legs with control. Pause at the top, then lower slowly. This is where your abs are forced to engage. And if you can't control the movement, that's your answer right there. Now here's something to think about. Why do some people feel this instantly, and others feel nothing? I'll come back to that in a second. Second exercise, ab rollouts. This one separates beginners from serious athletes, because you can't fake it. The further you extend, the more your core has to fight to keep you from collapsing. It's raw tension, raw control, and most people avoid it because it exposes weakness immediately. Third, declined sit-ups, but with a twist. Instead of flying up and down, you slow everything. You control the negative. And at the top, you don't just sit, you squeeze. Hard. Because contraction matters. That's what creates density. That's what makes abs look thick, not flat. Now here's the answer to that question from earlier. Why do some people feel abs instantly and others don't? Because they've never learned how to actually engage their core. They move, but they don't connect. Which brings us to exercise number 4. L-sit holds. Simple, but brutal. You're not moving, you're holding, and your abs are under constant tension the entire time. This is where you build that deep, tight, compressed core that looks powerful even at rest. And now the fifth exercise, the one almost nobody does correctly, cable or band crunches. But instead of pulling with your arms, you curl your spine. You bring your ribs down toward your hips. You make your abs do the work. Because if your arms are doing it, your abs are just spectators. Now listen closely. You can do all 5 of these perfectly and still not see your abs if your nutrition is off. This is where people sabotage everything. They train hard, but eat blindly. Or worse, they rush fat loss. They starve. They burn out. They quit. And then they start over. Again and again. But real transformation doesn't come from extremes. It comes from consistency, from structure, from discipline. Take your body weight. Multiply it by 10 to 12. That's your calorie target. Take your goal weight. Hit your protein. Stay consistent. Not perfect, consistent. Because perfection doesn't build bodies. Consistency does. And here's a reality most people avoid. If you lose weight too fast, you lose muscle. Your energy crashes. Your strength drops. And your abs? They don't look strong. They look flat. So slow it down. 0.5% to 1% per week. That's how you build something that lasts, not something that disappears. And stop relying only on the scale. Because the scale lies. Water fluctuates. Glycogen shifts. Your weight moves for reasons that have nothing to do with fat. Track your waist. Take photos. Watch the visual change. Because that's the truth. Now let me ask you something. If you stayed consistent for 60 days, no shortcuts, no excuses, just execution, what would your body look like? Because that version of you already exists. It's just buried. And everything you do from this point forward either reveals it or hides it deeper. This is where discipline takes over. This is where average people quit. Because results don't come instantly. But if you stay in it, if you push through that phase where nothing seems to change, that's where the shift happens. That's where your body starts responding. That's where strength unlocks. And suddenly, you're not the same person anymore. Your movements are sharper. Your physique is tighter. Your presence is different. Because real strength isn't loud. It's built quietly. Through repetition, through control, through discipline. So don't just train abs. Build the body that reveals them. Because average training gives average results. But this is how you transform.